Welcome to this video on English idiomatic expressions. Language goes beyond mere words and grammar. It's a treasure trove of vibrant and distinctive phrases that infuse our conversations with richness and depth. In today's journey, we'll explore some of the most intriguing and frequently employed idiomatic expressions in the English language. These expressions transcend language. They offer us glimpses into the culture and inventive spirit of English speakers. So, let's embark on this exploration of the linguistic gems that make English a truly captivating language. Okay, let's begin. English idiomatic expressions. Every cloud has a silver lining. There's a positive aspect to every difficult situation. This idiom conveys the idea that in every difficult or challenging situation, there is a positive aspect or outcome. Just as every cloud in the sky may temporarily obscure the sun, there is a silver lining, a positive or hopeful element, behind the cloud. It encourages optimism and the belief that, even in tough times, something good can emerge. Here are the usages of the idiom, every cloud has a silver lining, in various contexts. Job loss situation. Facing job loss is undoubtedly a challenging circumstance, representing the cloud in this proverb. However, the silver lining emerges when the individual takes this setback as an opportunity for personal and professional growth. They might use this time for skill development, explore new career paths, or even find a more fulfilling job in the long run. The adversity of job loss becomes a transformative experience with positive outcomes. Health challenges. Confronting health challenges, such as a serious illness or injury, can be a significant life hurdle, the cloud. The silver lining becomes apparent when the person gains a newfound appreciation for life, strengthens connections with loved ones, and develops resilience in the face of adversity. Overcoming the health setback transforms into a source of personal strength and a deeper understanding of life's fragility. Financial struggles. Navigating financial struggles serves as the cloud in this context. The silver lining materializes when individuals facing financial hardships learn important financial management skills, discover alternative sources of income, or find innovative ways to overcome the challenges. Adversities in financial situations often lead to unexpected opportunities and long-term financial wisdom. Now, let's examine some examples of the idiom, every cloud has a silver lining. Even though Jane's car troubles caused her to miss the meeting, the encounter at the repair shop led to a job offer in her dream field, proving once again that every cloud has a silver lining. Though upset by the unexpected rain ruining her gardening plans, Emily discovered it was beneficial for her plants, reinforcing the idea that every cloud has a silver lining. Although Maria missed her flight and faced an unplanned layover, she explored a charming town and realized that every cloud has a silver lining. After the job loss, Lisa turned to her passion for painting, and the recognition her art received showed that every cloud has a silver lining. Disappointed by the cancelled vacation, Samantha explored local attractions and found hidden gems in her city, realizing that every cloud has a silver lining. For a better understanding and immersion, listen to the story to see how the idiom, every cloud has a silver lining, is used in it. Blossoming dreams. In a quaint village, a young artist named Maria faced setbacks in her artistic journey. She dreamt of showcasing her paintings in a renowned gallery, but numerous rejections dimmed her enthusiasm. It felt like a continuous storm blocking the sunlight of her aspirations. Despite the setbacks, Maria's friend, Ethan, reminded her of the saying, every cloud has a silver lining. He suggested that Maria use the rejections as feedback to improve her craft and explore alternative avenues for exposure. Encouraged by his words, Maria decided to persevere. As she continued to paint and refine her style, Maria discovered a local art community hosting exhibitions for emerging artists. Embracing this opportunity, she showcased her paintings, receiving positive feedback and making valuable connections. The rejection clouds transformed into a silver lining, paving the way for Maria's art to gain recognition. Just as Maria was celebrating this small victory, another challenge emerged. The art community she joined faced financial constraints, and the planned exhibitions were at risk. Disheartened, Maria remembered Ethan's advice about finding the silver lining in every cloud. Instead of despairing, she joined efforts to organize a fundraising event, bringing the community together to support their shared passion. The successful fundraiser not only saved the exhibitions but also strengthened the local art community. Maria's journey, once clouded with rejection, began to blossom. Her story, titled "Blossoming Dreams," highlighted the transformative power of resilience and the unexpected beauty found within life's challenges. In the questions section, you should think about what we've learned and recall the knowledge so that you can answer the questions easily. So, read the questions and find the correct answer below. 1. What is the symbolic meaning of silver lining in the idiom? A. Dark clouds. B. Negative outcomes. C. Actual silver in the clouds. D. Hidden opportunities are a positive aspect. 2. Which of the following situations best illustrates the use of this idiom? Every cloud has a silver lining. A. Having a perfect day with no challenges. B. Finding money on the street. C. Losing a job but discovering a new career opportunity. D. Buying a silver necklace. 3. How might someone express the idea behind this idiom, every cloud has a silver lining, in a sentence? A. There's always a bright side to every difficult situation. B. Clouds bring nothing but darkness. C. Every silver lining has a cloud. D. Clouds are always silver. 4. In what type of situation would someone likely use this idiom, every cloud has a silver lining? A. When everything is going perfectly. B. When facing challenges or adversity. C. In a neutral or uneventful situation. D. During a sunny day. As we conclude our exploration of English idiomatic expressions, I hope you've enjoyed this linguistic adventure. Idioms are the hidden treasures of any language, revealing the culture, history, and humor of its speakers. By understanding and using idioms, you not only become a more fluent communicator, but also gain insights into the soul of the English language. So, go ahead, break a leg, and start using these phrases to add richness and depth to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a piece of cake if you bite the bullet and practice regularly. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy idiom hunting.